It is important to know the difference between justice and equality. Let's look at an example. Zainab and Jamila are training for the school athletics carnival. Zainab trains for 2 weeks, doing sprints with her dad at the park every day and eating healthy food only. Jamila eats lots of junk food and does not train at all. On the day of the carnival, Zainab wins the race and Jamila comes last. If Jamila and Zainab both receive a winning trophy, this is equality, but not justice. If Zainab receives a trophy and Jamila gets a ribbon for entering the race only, then this is justice. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is just and fair. Allah rewards those that do good deeds, just like we see justice and fairness in this world. This also happens in the next life. If a person had faith and did good deeds, they will be rewarded and will enter heaven. But those who did not have faith and did evil deeds, they will not enter heaven. As Muslims, we believe that after we die, we will be raised back to life in the hereafter. What happens to us in the hereafter depends on what we do in this world. If a person does good, Allah will be pleased with that person and will give that person many more blessings. But if a person does evil deeds and harms others, Allah will not be pleased with them. Allah created heaven for the people who do good. In heaven there are beautiful trees and fruits, rivers flowing with pure sweet water, honey and milk and different kinds of foods, which people will enjoy. The justice of Allah is that He will treat every person according to their deeds. The people of heaven have earned their place because of their good deeds. Those who were evil will be punished in hell, where they will be locked up like criminals. The people of hell will be punished with unthinkable kinds of punishment which cannot be described.